Alright guys, I got an update on this Leatherman. I was trying to close it with one hand, well, when I was talking on the phone, and I chopped my finger. Oh my god. I was like this. Yeah, be careful this area right here. This area can cut you bad. So you want to be careful when you're closing it. That area is a very dangerous area. So when you close your Leatherman, make sure to keep your hands away from that area. See, it's bleeding like mad. Woo. I would take it off. Well, maybe I could take it off. Hold on. Yeah. Well, anyways, it'll cut you pretty bad. So be careful. All right. Right here, this little pinching area. Woo. It's a doozy.